Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today is another car vlog day because, parking situation in NYC. And then I forgot to move my car yesterday because I was actually busy sleeping. And then I went on a date. But it was a good date, guys. It was one of those dates where, you know how you close a restaurant down? And the waiters are looking at you like, you guys leaving? That was that kind of date. So, we'll see how this one works out. You know, how I do is, I talk about dating life on my Confession Chronicles. So, we'll see. Yeah. But other than that, I'm going to talk about the wrap-up of Smutathon. So, I didn't do well as I thought I would because I've only completed 2 of the 4 books. And it started out real good, so I finished good time. Absolutely loved it. I was very psyched about it. And then I went into Disgrace, which ended up being one of my favorite romance novel that I've read this year. And then I picked up Dirty Secret, and guys, I'm still not finished. I'm like halfway, and I've spent so much time on that book than I do on the other 2 books because it's not grabbing me. It's not making me want to turn them pages. So I'm going to continue reading it, but I'm going to probably pick up something else. So now that I'm stuck in the car for about an hour, I'm thinking of picking up a short story, Harlem, by Eric Jerome Dickey. And it's a short read, so who knows, by the time it's time for me to get back on the other side of the road, I might get pretty much deep inside that book. It seemed interesting. It's like a guy commit murder and he got an insanity conviction, so he's in the crazy house, but he's not insane. He knew what he was doing, and somehow he met a woman in there. So I'm not sure if it seemed like maybe he's using a woman to get out, or maybe he did like the woman. I don't know, but it seemed like interesting, and the reviews are really good on this one because it's a short story. He doesn't have time to really do all that extra stuff that he sometimes likes to do in his stories, so should be interesting. We'll see. So yep, that's what I'm gonna do right now, and drinking my hot chocolate. So guys, I came back in the house. I did finish Harlem, the short story by Eric Jerome Dickey, and then I came in the house and went to sleep, and that goes most of my day right now. But I'm on vacation, so why not? So what I would tell you is Harlem, the short story, is good. I couldn't even get the ending, threw me off big time. Oh my god, I just wish like Jerome Dickey would write more like this. Like all that fluff and all that other extra stuff that he tends to been doing lately in some of his book. He had time for that in his short story. And I believe this short story was written in 2016, I believe. Because it was an anthology for some book. I don't remember the whole backstory on this. But I would say, oh my god, you want a really cool, fast-paced, well-done short story, pick it up. It's not romance. Well, it's not romance. Got some twists and turns, but it's not romance. But it's a short story and it's hella good. So definitely pick it up. So like I said, this month on, I did do what I accomplished. 2 different worlds. I accomplished Disgrace. I will put into where it called slow burn. It had slow burn. It had 2 different worlds. It had a bit of a forbidden aspect. So, but other than that, and then the Dirty Secret, that is definitely had a bit of different world as well, and I'm gonna finish it, but I'm not. No, no, no. So my next book is, hold on. So this is my next read, which is John Grisham. So I'm gonna definitely be reading The Reckoning. So yeah, that's my next read. And that's it, guys. Another chill day. I'm hoping to do more stuff as the week goes on. I do have other stuff planned, but it's just another chill day and another just basically reading. I did do some writing earlier, blog post writing, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, and see you the next day. Bye.